Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrutha Sankar. Guys, I know last video wasn't that clear, so today's video I'm gonna teach only one step and I'm gonna cover the previous videos 2 steps as well to make it very clear. So watch till the end so that you can see the previous videos step clearly. So here we go. So for the legs, first we'll put our legs in V shape and in bending position. Now we'll lift our heels. 1 up. 2 is going back to the V shape. 2. 3 is again lifting up our legs, heels. 3 back to position. 4. So it's nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now for the hands, we'll put our hands in Kataka Mukham. As we raise our heel, 1, this will be in Kataka Mukham. 2, we'll change into Padma position. We just cross over our right hand upon the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the whole step, we'll be in bending position. Put our hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the 5th step we saw in the previous video, which you can find in the description box below the link. So for that the legs weren't clear, so I'm going to show that we have been in bending position and we tap our right leg, raise our left leg and open our right hand. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think now you are able to see the legs clearly. Now let's see the other step, which was we'll put our right hand in Dola Hasta and left hand on the waist. Where 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hope you guys understood the previous 2 steps and also today's step. Keep watching, like, share, subscribe to my channel to see more videos and to learn dance from the basics.